Hi, I'm Dr. Danielle DeLuca-Pytell. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon based in Troy, Michigan, and today I am going to show you the technique for stripping a drain. So usually what I do when I strip drains is I use an alcohol swab because it helps your fingers slide more easily over the tubing. And I grab the drain as close to the skin as possible. Just for the sake of the video though, I'm just going to pretend that this is as close as possible so that you don't have to undress you. And then I'm going to squeeze and pull. And I'm going to, in this method, pull the fluid that's in the drain into the bulb. And you can see the drain is collapsing and the fluid is going into the bulb. And then the other thing that happens is the drain gets flat. And then this activates the vacuum mechanism in here better. The other thing that's helpful is if all of the air is removed. So what I'm going to do is open up the cap and pinch out every little bit of air. And now this vacuum system works better because there's very little air in here. And then you can do it a second time to really ensure that there's nothing left in the drain. And that's drain stripping. Thank you for watching my video. For more information about plastic surgery, please check my website at www.DeLuca-Pytell.com. That's DeLucapytell. Thank you.